Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll see the ribbon chart in Power BI desktop and we'll see what is ribbon chart in Power BI desktop and when to use it. So the ribbon chart connects a category of data over the visualized time in categories using ribbons, and it shows higher on top and lower on bottom. Okay, and when we have to visualize any data and quickly discover which data category has the highest rank, meaning the largest value among all other values, so we can able to analyze that by using the ribbon chart. So let's see it in the Power BI desktop how to create it. Okay, so this is the Power BI desktop, and we'll have to click over here this ribbon chart, and then we'll get this visual in our dashboard. And after that we'll have to select some fields from this data. Okay, so we'll select the customer segment in the axis, we'll select the region in the legend, in the values we can select the profit. Okay, so in this way we are able to create this ribbon chart and we'll able to take the insights from this. So this chart is showing the profit by customer segment and the region. So there are these customer segments: small business, consumer, home office, and the corporate. So this west, or like this purple color is showing the west region. So we can say like west region is having the more number of customer segment. We can say like small business and the consumer is having the more value for the west region, more profit. From this visual, we are able to get insights like from the small business and the consumer customer segments, we are having the more profit from this west region. Okay, so this purple color is showing the west. Okay, and we can likewise analyze for the central, east, and the south region. Okay, so the less is south region because here less value is present for small business and the consumer. Okay, and for the corporate, this east is giving the more profit. Okay, in this way we can get the insights, and we can do formatting to this particular visual by using this option. And this general option is for setting the position of this particular visual on this dashboard. This is for the styling this legend, like setting the position of this legend. And x-axis for doing the x-axis any format like increasing and decreasing the size and all. And zoom slicer is for adding the zoom slider over here. And the data colors, we are able to change the data colors for this particular regions. From this we can on this data label so that we are able to see this data labels on this particular bars. Okay, without moving the cursors. In from plot area, we can able to add the image on this plot area. We can add the ribbons, like we can specify the size of these ribbons, and we can add some space between them from this spacing option. We can add the transparency, we can add the border to this particular ribbons. We can add the title from here, and we can set any formatting for this particular title. Okay, we can align it in the center. We can give the font color and the background color so that it is like more suitable to see. Okay, we can give the background color to this particular visual by using this option. We can set the transparency that we want. We can add the border, and we can add the shadow also. So in this way we can create this ribbon chart in Power BI desktop. And after this ribbon chart, we'll see the waterfall chart in detail. And up to that, please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification for my upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching my videos.